This, my friends, is the brand new MILWAUKEE 2000 lumen flashlight, and it cost $100. And the question we're going to try to answer today is this flashlight worth $100? All right, so one of the main differences between this flashlight and the previous version is the lumen. On MILWAUKEE's last flashlight, which is very popular by the way, again it's $84, you're looking at a total of 1,100 lumens. This has a total of 2,000, which is pretty freaking insane. I mean, if you look at their floodlight, the M18, that only goes up to 1,250 lumens. So pack 2,000 lumens into this thing, and that's real nice. And there's also a couple other changes that they made that I really like. So as far as it goes with, well, charging, it's pretty important when it comes to these rechargeable batteries. And yes, this is rechargeable. Instead of using an A cord, they're now using a C cord, which means it's way faster to charge this than it was the previous model. Now, a lot of people are going to say, listen, I don't like rechargeable flashlights. I want to be able to put batteries in when I need them. What happens if I'm not around an outlet and I need to, use this thing? Well, they got you covered on this as well. So what you're going to do is just twist this top off like so, and you can see the 4-volt battery comes right out. So now you can take an extra 1 or 2 of these with you on the job site, whatever you need to do, put that in there. It's fully recharged, and again, it's red to go. Get it red to go because it's a red lithium. There's a couple other changes. Now on the back right here, you're gonna see a couple glowing rings. You got a red ring, you got an orange ring, and you got a green ring. If you got a red ring, that means it's gonna die, ain't gonna last you much longer. But you stick it on the charger, which is real simple to do. When the red light comes on and starts flashing, that means you only have about 3% of the battery life left to go in this flashlight. Now, if it's a solid red, that means that you have between 3 and 10% of the battery life left to go in this flashlight. If it's a solid yellow ring, well then you have around 11% up to 49% of the battery life left in this flashlight. And if it's green, that means you have a 50% up to 100% of battery life left in this flashlight. Now I know that's a very large range, a swath, just is what it is. Now you actually have a few different light strengths on this flashlight. You got a low, medium, high, and then a boost. Let me show you. So on the back button right here, this is where you're gonna change your brightness and your lumens and all that good stuff. Let me go ahead and shut off these lights. Do you know what happened to the last person that watched my video that didn't smash the like button and get subscribed? Absolutely nothing. Except for I felt really bad about it. So go ahead and smash that like button, get subscribed. That'd be real nice like. All right, no jump scares. Every time I push this button right here, you're gonna see that light in the back. It's gonna illuminate, it's gonna tell you what charge you're on. I push it again, every time I push it, it's gonna kick on like so. 100 lumens. Now, 100 lumens, this is a back wall, it's completely dark in here. You'll get a total runtime of 24 hours, which is, well, that's real nice. Now, I can tap this button every once in a while, or I can just hold it in, and it'll switch in between the different light modes. This right here is your 800 lumens, which will last you 8 hours. I can grab that, pull it out, bring it in, pull it out. And you can see you can go through a more focused beam, or you can go through that floodlight, which really opens things up. All right, so let's go to the high. We're gonna hold that in, gonna go low, and boom! Check that out, very, very bright. Opens up that whole area. I mean, this thing really is super bright. But here's what's really cool. If I'm on the high mode and I double tap this, watch. Boom, boom. You can see that got brighter. That's your 2,000 lumen. So watch this. I'm on high right now. I'm gonna double tap this in the back. It's gonna go turbo mode. Oh yeah, super bright. If I tap it again, twice, it'll bring it down to your high lumen. My advice to you is do not look directly into this light when it's on high because it is so freaking bright. Now, another thing I want to show you that's really cool here is your charging port. Now, it is protected, so if you drop this thing into water, it is water resistant, all that good stuff. You got that little sliding door right there. And if you slide that over like so, well, that's going to protect that port. And then when you need to recharge it, you just open it up again. And you got that nice little shirt holder right there. That's real nice. Also, love the grip on this freaking thing. Feels great. I love that you can take the batteries out. You can recharge them. Whatever you need to do. This thing is built very, very well. Now here's the question, is it worth the $99? Well, the light itself has a lifetime limited warranty. Meaning if you run this thing over with a bus, they might not cover it, but if it burns out, they'll probably protect it for you the rest of your life. It's built very, very well. I mean, when you put this in your hands, I mean, you can feel it. I mean, it is built solid. So everything's very smooth on this thing. I love that telescoping right there. I don't think you have to worry about this door coming off. I mean, it is built very, very solid. So really it comes down to you if you're willing to pay the $99 for this flashlight. Now, here's the thing, only $15 more than the original, which isn't that bad for everything else you're getting. You're getting extra 900 lumens and you're getting that 3 times faster charger with these C ports. So yeah. But I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Do you like this flashlight? Is this something that you would think about purchasing for $99? If so, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check it out. Share this with your friends, because they're going to like you so much more if you share this out. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps us bring more videos to you like this. If you like this video, I got a couple more for you right there. Be back with another video real soon.